Sasa ligi ya FKF Premier League abasiri tukule goro nige timu ya Gor Mahia FC yanyate kwenye ikora timu ya Talanta FC chigoli sato asevosa abasomoroke manebwe timu ya Gor Mahia FC makaine buna Johnston osomakaine buna Jonathan McKinstry anyarire kwe soke na konyarate abune timu ya Gor Mahia FC mbatu megetebuya amabagapanyoreta sense mentanga ni chigoli chonsi chabete kwa bachikosoa korende Ken Kenyatta omoroke manebwe timu ya Talanta FC Tago geti nenjire timu ya yago soreti mwana nsementangani.
I think we're overall very pleased with it. We asked the players, we said to them before the game, I think everyone knows that we have a big game coming up on Sunday, but we had to do the job today. But we did say to the players before the game, look, if you can give us a cushion at half-time, it's hard in this league because every team fights, and you even see, Talanta, their games have been remarkably close. They've picked up some big points off teams at the top of the table. But we said to our guys, it's a big ask, but if you can give us a cushion at half-time, it will allow us to maybe make a few changes in the second half because we have that buffer. And they did that. They went out. It was a great first half. Some really good goals scored, different types of goals. All three goals are very different. So we're very, very pleased with that.
As we train to win, no one who can train to lose. We are anticipating to win the game, and we can surprise you. So for now, this one is over. We are thinking about the coming match. Yeah, that for us losing the game, you could see how the game was. The game was tough, and we considered easy goals, of which we need to go and train for that, so that the next game we can improve from there. First of all, we don't have time to train because we have a game on Saturday and players are played today. You see now we have a recovery day, which is tomorrow, and then the rest day is on Saturday. Instead of having a rest, we have a match. So for me, I think the games are back to back, and there are so many, so players are getting fatigued on the process.